Gondor Gummy Production Line. Fully automated production reduces manual intervention. Intelligent precision control. Realize uniform dissolution effect. Reduce the temperature of the liquid. Used for syrup filling. Equipped with heating function. Equipped with brush and hair blowing function. Monochrome and multicolored candy making. Automatic stripping. Do not stick to molds. High production capacity. 150至1000 kg per hour production. Finished product display. Can produce various types of candies. Changing molds can produce different shapes. Soft candy display. Fine work and guaranteed product quality.